Hi and welcome to this tutorial. Today we are going to be making these very cute and adorable baby booties called the Maia Booties. Let's get started. So today you're going to need some worsted weight yarn, scissors, darning needle, a 5mm hook and a measuring tape. Let's get started. So first we're going to create our slip knot. And chain 8. Right, in the second chain from the hook, 2 single crochets. Now 5 single crochets. In the last chain we are going to do 6 single crochets. Right, going back up the side of the chain now, 5 single crochets, and I like to crochet over the tail of the yarn. And in the last chain space, 2 single crochet. Slip stitch into the first single crochet to close the round. You should have 20 stitches. Chain 1. Starting in the first stitch under the chain, we're going to do 2 single crochets and in the next space 2 single crochets. Now we're going to do 5 single crochets. Okay, around the toe we're going to do 2 single crochets in each stitch 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to do 5 single crochets. And 2 single crochets in the last 2 stitches. So 2, 2. And slip stitch into the first single crochet of that round to complete the round. So now we have 30 stitches. Round 3, single crochet in the first stitch. Now 2 single crochets in the next 2 stitches. Single crochet 6. We're going to do a group of 2 single crochet and 1 single crochet, and we're going to do that group 6 times around the toe. So 2 single crochet, 1 single crochet, so that's the first group. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 single crochet, 2 single crochet in the next 2 stitches and 1 single crochet in the last stitch. This is the sole completed. It should measure about 3.5 inches. Right, row 4 and 5 are 1 single crochet in each stitch, so you should have 40 stitches at the end of the next 2 rounds. Slip stitch, chain 1 more round of 1 single crochet in each stitch. And slip stitch to finish that round. Okay, now we are ready to start shaping the toe. So first, in the first stitch, we're going to single crochet 2 together and decrease. Then single crochet 11. We're going to single crochet 2 together twice. Single crochet 2 together again. And then single crochet 6. Then single crochet 2 together. And again, single crochet 2 together. Now crochet 13 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you should have 35 stitches that round. Slip stitch, chain 1. Right, round 7, single crochet 12. single crochet 2 together, again, and this time single crochet 4. Single crochet 2 together twice, and single crochet 11. Okay, you should have 31 stitches in this round, and you can see the shaping coming together nicely. So slip stitch and chain 1. Row 8, single crochet 11, single crochet 2 together times 2, single crochet 2, single crochet 2 together times 2, single crochet 10. That round you should have 27 stitches. Slip stitch and chain 1, and we're ready for the final round of the bootie. So single crochet 10, now we're going to do 4 single crochet 2 together. Keep those stitches nice and tight. Now 7 single crochet, and then single crochet 2 together, slip stitch. You should have 22 stitches. So we're going to cut that yarn and carry on with the ties. That's looking very cute. Just put the bootie there for now. So for the ties, we are going to chain 33. Once we've finished the chain, then we're going to attach it to the bootie. Keep these stitches nice and firm. Now to attach, I usually count back 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. I'm going to attach there. So still with the chain on your hook, you're going to slip stitch the chain tie on, then chain 1. Now we're going to single crochet around the top of the bootie. I like to crochet under the knot. And just keep stitching until you reach the opposite side. That looks right to me. Okay, now we're going to chain 34. That's the second tie done. So we can snip our yarn, pull that through, and our bootie is finished. So now we just need to weave in our ends and it's ready. I'll just show you how I do my ties. So I like to weave in not too far down. Weave that through. Snip that off. And you can either keep the tie like that, or I like just do a little knot at the end to secure more. There you go. Weave in all ends and your booties are finished. Now I've got some finished ones here. Here they are. So sweet. Cotton or wool or acrylic. Enjoy and happy making. Bye.